Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the vibrant town of Blairmore, Alberta, a community rich in history and surrounded by the stunning natural beauty of the Crowsnest Pass region. Nestled in the southwestern part of the province, Blairmore is set against the backdrop of the majestic Rocky Mountains, offering breathtaking views and a wealth of outdoor activities for nature lovers. Blairmore was named after Robert Blair, a prominent figure in the Canadian Pacific Railway during the late 19th century. The town's development was closely tied to the railway, which played a crucial role in the growth of the region by connecting it to other parts of Canada and facilitating the transportation of goods and people. The town has a rich mining heritage, with coal mining being a significant industry in the early 20th century. This heritage is still celebrated today through local museums and historical sites that tell the story of the miners and their families who lived and worked in the area. Whether you're a resident or a visitor, Blairmore welcomes you and invites you to experience the warmth and hospitality of this charming Alberta town. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Blairmore, Alberta. Thanks for watching.